Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and you're watching T Cooks with Flave, and I'm taking you guys with me today. We are going to the river. For those of you who have been keeping up, you know that I'm in Jamaica, and it's the first time here. Welcome. Welcome to the food.
Welcome to the fun. Welcome to the fam.
Welcome to the vibes. So we just came to my grandmother's house, where we're getting some food. We're gonna be cooking on the river today. So of course, I don't know, so I can't left no out. I look who me carry with me. I give him one bus.
Us, they carry me.
And I'm pretty
Clean
short.
me.
Hey, you look clean enough?
Out here.
You going enough?
Yeah, man, that is it.
Aye. Let me show you guys the prep we're going right now. David over here start clean up some chicken back. The boys over here cutting some sugar cane. Kelly, let me see your swimsuit. That's a goodie. Yeah. Look good. Still can't get enough of grandma's garden. Yeah. When the family have a business to run, but them still want go river, this is what it looks like. Multitasking at its finest. That one here, so. My sister pop down. Why make them a pop it down?
That is it. That is it. Step out.
The shoes not right there.
Don't worry about that, man. Just step out. Turn on for them. Give him a turn.
Give my turn.
They don't say how much.
Whoa.
Never run it, you can't look for it. You have to listen. You have to listen out. Watch content creator. Watch content creator. You sure everyone jump in that water to get the video clip?
Life is good.
Life is great. Guys, we just made it to Swift River. We didn't like the other river at all. I couldn't even videotape it for sure. Alright, you got some clips on my phone.
We not push that. I'm too embarrassed.
Yeah, so we ended up here. My entire family is here. I have a videographer and photographer here with us as well. His name is Steven. He has a business called Jones Supreme, and I'm gonna leave all his information in my description box. You guys are gonna see the dope content that he's gonna come with. Like I said, the family is here. We're gonna be cooking on the river today. It sucks for me because I can't get my leg wet, so I'm gonna do the best that I can. China, forgot lift me up. You ready? You know, I forgot gym for the next couple of days. Let me just show you the sexiness so I go on my family right now. My sister, my niece, the other niece. Oh, Jesus. Look for me, baby. Look at my sister. Turn around. Let them see. Okay, okay, okay. Look at my mom, guys. Like, seriously. Seriously. Like, what are the original, darling? The chef needs to go cook. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
T-Cook and the gang.
The good body one day have to go high. Like go, I sleep, breathe, that one yeah.
Alright.
All you two, come in at the front.
Here you now back from good body one never go high.
Pink dolls. It's the pink dolls.
Pink dollies. Dolly them.
So you say, hey, oh you say. Oh you say.
Oh, we keep it on the
Everybody want to go over top.
Let's see what touch the sky. Take some, take some.
I have undergone
My mom up on TV, no slips.
You good? How you feeling? I feel better now. Ready?
Yeah.
How far phone I get that shirt?
Hold on, ready?
We're smiling?
Are you smiling?
I don't know. I want to make sure face there.
This is the boss right here himself, man. Full of patience, man. When we can get some of that, brother? Like supermarket or something like that? Aisle 6? Yeah.
everybody know this. Who make a small man.
Pastry crush outside at the Riverside. Do you know? This is how we're ending the night on a high. Period. Look at them two, yeah. Look at these three. I'm recording, so be careful of what you say. I'm coming. My sissy hiding over there. My other sissy over there working hard. This is the end of a successful river day, guys. Clean up. All the family out here. Look at these two. It's just all love. There's lots of love out here. Look at this one. What you doing?
Hello.
Just say. Here you go, darling. This is for the electricity, okay? Have a good one. Thank you. The absolute end of an amazing day. We spent the day at Swift River. We cooked. We just enjoyed each other. Family was just a great day. So we ended up going to a different river because if you notice in the first part of my videos, we were heading to Rio Grande. That was the plan. However, when we got there, it wasn't giving me the vibe that we were looking for. And there was no cool shade. I wanted to set up shop and cook and so on. So we decided to go to Swift River instead. When I tell you, amazing. It was amazing. We had the best time. Big up to Steven. Guys, if you are ever in Jamaica, and Steven also travels, so it's not just Jamaica. He does events. He has a drone. He does photography. His work is exceptional. I'm going to leave his handles, everything, for his Instagram, so for you to know how to contact him if you're ever having an event, if you just want to go shoot some content creators that lives in Jamaica. You guys can utilize his service. He's affordable and his work is amazing. You understand what I'm saying? Every time I come to Jamaica, I work with him, and I'm now thinking about possible other ventures in the future for us, even overseas. So yes, he does travel. Highly recommend. He's very patient and he pays attention to detail. So I really love that. I love working with him. We actually are shooting some more content tomorrow, and as soon as whatever he did for me is available, I'm definitely gonna be showing you guys or telling you how to go look at that content. But yeah, so we're shooting with him tomorrow. So I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know how the day went, and also close out this video. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see whenever I post. Yes, I'm in go slow mode right now. I'm actually a little sleepy and I have to be up very early for day 2 of filming with Steven. So I'll let you guys go. I hope you really enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed bringing this to you with my family and friends. It was epic. Knowing a nice that let's just leave this vlog right there. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.